How to download and install Blender Beginner's Guide. Introduction. Welcome to this Blender tutorial. Today we'll guide you step by step on how to download and install Blender, the powerful open-source 3D modeling and animation software. Step 1. Access the official Blender website. To get the latest version of Blender, open your web browser and go to blender.org. Step 2. Download Blender. On the home page, click the Download Blender button. The website will detect your operating system and suggest the correct version. If you need a different one, click Other Versions to choose Windows, macOS, or Linux. Click the Download button and wait for the file to be downloaded. Step 3. Install Blender. For Windows, locate the downloaded.msi file and double-click it. Follow the installation wizard, accepting the license agreement and choosing an installation location. Click Install. Wait for the process to finish, then click Finish. Step 4. Open Blender for the first time. Once installed, open Blender. The first time you launch it, you'll see a welcome screen where you can adjust preferences like language, shortcuts, and theme. That's it. You've successfully installed Blender and are ready to start creating amazing 3D models. In our next tutorials, we'll explore the Blender interface and basic tools. Stay tuned.